Hey, what's up guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to guide you how to transfer BNB coin from Binance to Metamask wallet. So let's get started. To transfer BNB from Binance to Metamask wallet, simply come to your Binance account and go to wallet and click on Fiat and Spot. In Fiat and Spot, scroll down and find your BNB coin. Here is my BNB coin. Simply click on withdraw option. Now go to your Metamask extension or Metamask wallet to copy the Binance Smart Chain address. Click on Metamask wallet extension and here Binance Smart Chain. Click on this address, copy to clipboard. Click here to copy the Metamask BNB wallet address. The address is copied. Now come to your Binance account and here on address paste the Metamask BNB wallet that you copied. Okay, here is the address. Now select the amount of BNB that you want to transfer from Binance to Metamask wallet. In here I just sent 0.2 BNB to my Metamask wallet. Now click on withdraw option, or if you want to transfer your maximum BNB, click on maximum, but I want to transfer only 0.2 BNB. Okay, now click on withdraw option. Click here, read this description and click on confirm. Again read this and click on continue. Now security verification, verify your phone verification code, email verification code and Google verification code. So let's verify this. Click to get code, click to get code. Once you complete the security verification, click on submit. Finally, withdrawal request submitted. Click on complete option. Now you should receive 0.2 BNB in your Metamask wallet. Okay, let's check Metamask wallet whether we receive our BNB or not. Click on Metamask extension. Till now we haven't received our BNB, so wait for a few minutes or a few seconds because it takes time. Okay, finally we received our 0.2 BNB in our Metamask wallet. So this is the easiest method to transfer BNB coin from Binance to your Metamask wallet. Mostly we use Metamask wallet with decentralized exchange website like Pancakeswap, Swap and many other decentralized exchange in order to buy new recently added coin like shit coins to get 100x profit within a day. So following this method you can easily transfer your BNB coin from Binance to Metamask wallet, no matter whether Trust wallet or Metamask wallet, but the method is same. So if you have any question or confusion regarding to this video, simply feel free to ask me in the comment section. So if you are new to this channel, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.